Hey, wanna buy some cardboard?
What?
Cardboard for sale.
Why would I need cardboard?
To stand on the ice. $20.
20 bucks?
Yeah.
No thanks, kid. This is not my first rodeo.
Okay.
They're ready with their high-powered rifles.
Temperatures, a whale's spout freezes instantly.
Today, the rescue continues in earnest. Amidst 20 below temperatures. And... Cut. God, my feet are numb. These boots are useless. Hey, kid!
Yeah?
You still got that cardboard?
I sold it to that guy. But I can still get more. It's 40 now.
You're kidding.
Shipping and handling.
Shipping and...
And it's not my first rodeo either.